Hello everybody, the Lawn Gnome is here, and it's a dead man's party.
I was struck by lightning, walking down the street. I was hit by something last night in my sleep. It's a dead man's party. Who could ask for more? Everybody's come.
With Halloween right around the corner, it was only appropriate that I saw the monster-themed animated film Hotel Transylvania, starring a grand cast of Saturday Night Live cast members past and present, such as Adam Sandler, David Spade, and Andy Samberg, and of course other well-known comedic minds such as Kevin James, Fran Drescher, and Steve Buscemi. So, I did enjoy this movie. I was expecting it to be a cute lose yourself for 90 minutes or so, and that's exactly what I got. It was a cute little story about a father, of course, who is Count Dracula, just trying to provide a good-natured world for his now ripe old-aged 118-year-old daughter Mavis. He built Hotel Transylvania to make sure that all the monsters out there had a safe place just to be themselves, and then all of a sudden the human shows up and they see a brand new side that they just never saw before. The worlds practically collided. I was very impressed to see this movie because of the fact that the director was Genndy Tartakovsky, who has done work on Dexter's Laboratory and the Powerpuff Girls, and you definitely saw that through the kind of animation style as well as the fast-paced referential humor that he's known for. But of course, you also had the Saturday Night Live cast members doing what they do best with their own brand of comedy. Adam Sandler, I really had not seen him in a movie that was enjoyable to me since Mr. Deeds, and Happy Gilmore and Billy Madison are two of my favorites, but it was really interesting to see him really transitioning from the goofy young guy that he used to play to a very respectable and worrisome father figure with, of course, his little comedic twist. It was definitely an enjoyable, fun movie. It wasn't a great movie, but it was definitely something that was worth seeing. And I would definitely say that if you want to get out and see just a cute, fun, family-oriented movie, and you are a horror fan and you do like your monsters, then this is definitely going to be one that you enjoy, especially with Halloween just about here. So Hotel Transylvania, I'm going to give 2.5 out of 4. So that's it, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I want to leave you with a question about Adam Sandler and Kevin James. So, of course, I love Adam Sandler's old movies. What was your favorite Adam Sandler movie? And in regards to Kevin James, is anyone out there interested in seeing Here Comes the Boom? Feel free to leave a comment or a video response in regards to those two questions. I am the Lawn Gnome, and remember that actions speak louder than words.